Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Liz. So today I'm going to talk about some things that I have been using, some creams, some oils that has helped with that. So I have two children. I have two little girls, and so all the moms out there, I'm pretty sure you guys know that it doesn't happen to everybody, but you know the struggles with stretch marks, with loose skin in certain areas. You know, the mommy pooch. A lot of us don't like that. So first of all, you know, we have to learn to accept, and you know, we had babies, and it's totally okay, but it's also okay to fix it if you want to. So I began with dry brushing. So I bought this at Walmart. This was like $5. I know that dry brushing helps with blood circulation, cell renewal, you know, all the dead skin that we have. And so I began by doing this, and then what else did I use? I did use a cream from the brand, from the company Pure Romance. I do not have it with me. It's a body firming cream, and so I want to say that that's how, you know, that's how it started. So let's see. It's definitely not just, you know, the products. It's routine, nutrition, fitness, and product. So it just, and consistency, of course, you have to keep consistent. And then what I started using this year, so this was 2019, and the Pure Romance. And then this year, so I even used this one from Mary Kay. I don't know, they're mostly about skincare. I don't know if it worked or not, but I do know that the dry brushing, the working out, and you know, and the losing weight has helped. So this year, I started using, and it wasn't too long ago. I want to say it was around 3 or 4 months ago that I bought this herbal healing oil, and I'll be putting the websites down in the description. So this one is a skin repair and a stretch mark oil. So these are two different oils, and I want to say they were roughly around $25. And I don't know, you know, the price off the top of my head, just because it is from the Netherlands. So it's supposed to be like natural. It's a small owned business from this lady, and I will put down her website and her Instagram. That is where I found her. So I want to show some before, using both the skin repair and the stretch marks, and it says that they've used 6 bottles around 3 months. So you see that right there, and my phone is all broken, so don't pay attention to that. But so these are some of her clients, her before and after pictures. So there's the before and the after. And then she has, so she doesn't just have creams and oils, she also has herbal teas, and I love it. It's really, really good. It's this one right here. And this is supposed to promote weight loss, cleanse the body of toxins. So it's like a detox tea. Has a really good flavor. I've been using this, and so it's a combination of everything, right? And then this is the Perfect Sculpting Powder that she has. She has a lot of products. It's not just this. I only purchased these for it, which is the 2 oils, and then the powder and the tea. So this one is supposed to be it's supposed to help with fat distribution. What else? What is it? Enhance a feminine shape, so like a pear shape. This says take before working out, around an hour before. I want to say this was around $40. The tea was around 35-ish. I just know the first time I ordered, I paid like $125 for 4 products. The oils around $25, so I didn't think it was crazy expensive. A lot of the other products that you would purchase, you know, with other companies are around the same or more, usually more. Like anything like protein powders, like $60 around. So I didn't think it was too bad. And I always like to have tea at hand. You know, I love tea. So yeah, and I will be posting, you know, before and after pictures. Obviously, I just started, but I did see a change while just using the oil. I did notice that my lower pooch, you know, my lower belly area was firmer, and so I also say I would also say that it's because of working out as well. So not just the oil, but I do believe that it's working. So for me, I was not blessed or lucky, you know, that I didn't get stretch marks. I did get a few, but no biggie. I mean, you know, I did make a little human, 2 little humans. So I mean, totally understandable. But I do want to fix the you know, the area around my belly, and I do know that exercise is gonna play a big role in this because, you know. But okay, so moving on. Another thing that I have been doing is drinking collagen with my coffee or with my smoothies. So this is the one I use, and I get this at Costco, and I do believe they sell this at Sam's Club now, and I have even seen it at Aldi one time. It was a way smaller can, so it wasn't as big as this. This is a 2 pound, 32 ounces, so that one was like a 10 ounce. So I mean, it's better to get it at the, you know, like at Costco and Sam's Club. I want to say I paid 32 for this. Something you will not see often, because in other companies or other places, you know, they sell them for 60, 80. And the thing about this is that this one is paleo and keto friendly, so I've been doing keto. Also, the most important, it is from grass-fed cows. So, and it's really clean. This one is a chocolate flavor. I prefer the regular flavor, the flavorless one. The flavorless one. I just wanted to try the chocolate one, and you know, I bought it, so I'm going to finish it. This one has natural flavors, so you know, the other one is way cleaner than this one. Not that it's not clean, it's definitely clean, but you know, the chocolate flavor, the naturally chocolate, well, it's artificial flavor, I should say, and it says it right here. So if you're gonna get this one, from the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide, definitely get the regular one. But anyway, so I've been using that. And then I recently purchased this one, and it's from the company Modier. This girl that I follow, and she follows me, and we follow each other on Instagram. She posted, you know, before and after pictures from somebody. So she works for this company, and I'm trying to find it. Maybe I can find it. Maybe not. I thought I had it. Oh, right here. Alright, that took forever. So here are the before and after pictures for this product. I thought there was another one. Maybe not, but so there was definitely more. And the before and after pictures were really good. It showed progress and improvement. So I decided to try it. I'm doing this and the stretch mark oil in the affected area. So this one is the one around my belly button, and this would be in my lower area, my lower pooch, lower belly. And I just started this a week ago, so I will be posting. I just started this a week ago. This was like 3 months ago, 4. And I also purchased this, and this is a derma roller from Jen Amber. I'll be posting all the websites underneath. So these are derma rollers, and I ordered 3 of them. One for my face and then one for my belly. And this is supposed to help with stretch marks and firming And then this is the vitamin C cream. This was $45. These were $35 each. So this one is the, which one is this one? So ordered a smaller one for my face because I do have like dark spots here that I got during my pregnancy. I don't know, it was here, in this area. It's not as noticeable anymore. I mean, my little one is 4, so you know, it improved, but I do want to work on, you know, the sun damage. You know, I just want to try. Also helps with wrinkles. So, you know, as we age, we want to age well, you know. Let me open it. I think I opened, no, I haven't opened it. But it looks like this. This one is the smaller one for my face. And she has videos on how to use it on her YouTube channel. She gives all the information. I really thought I opened one. And I did a lot of research before even purchasing this because so I didn't know that there's like fake rollers out there, and a lot of people and they sell them on Amazon or any other website, but there is a difference between, you know, good rollers and bad rollers. And oh my god, how am I gonna open it? Okay, so this one looks like this, and this is made in the US. Also has good quality needles. So she talks about and explains everything. So you just go and find her if you're interested in this. And then so this would be for my belly area. And I mean, I haven't used them yet. I will start hopefully tomorrow or sometime this week. But yeah, before you even use anything, definitely do your research and learn how to use it. And then this would be the after, you know, the cream that I would apply after. I decided to get it from her because, you know, I got the rollers from her, so I might as well. So yeah, that is what I'm using right now, and I will post before and after pictures of, you know, the progress. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I think this, yeah, this is definitely just it. Thank you for watching.